We all hate the dreaded check engine light, but why does it come on? Well, that's a question we're going to try to answer for you today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I am Master Certified Technician Rick Smith. So the check engine light is not what it sounds like. You know, it sounds like we should check the engine to see what's going on. But really what happened was way back in the late 70s, early 80s, manufacturers had an emission light. And that was the goal of that was to try to get you into the shop. But found out that, quite frankly, most people ignored it. So the federal government said, hey, we have to put a light on there that's going to make people come in so they'll get the car fixed so that it doesn't continue to drive around producing too many emissions. So basically, anything on the car that can cause your emissions to exceed 1.5 times the federal standard will cause that check engine light to come on. And quite frankly, there's about 80 different things that can cause it. So to say why your check engine light's on is pretty difficult. We could have a running issue. We could have what's called auxiliary emission issues, which is vapors coming from your fuel tank. Or we could have like a catalytic converter that's bad or something. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that can cause it to come on. But basically, the reason it comes on is to try to get you in the door so that you get the emission problem fixed and don't continue to drive and don't continue to pollute the air. It's not a bad thing, but it definitely can be very frustrating to everyone. So I hope this information has been good for you. And thanks for watching. And until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.